Hi there, math leads. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percents. Before solving this question, I'd like to a little bit talk about the importance of the playlists that we have in our channel. The playlists are created based on the topics, so you can see any topics that you want to excel in SAT mathematics in the SAT math. So you can just go on the playlist section, pick up a topic. For instance, you can pick functions, exponents, or systems of equations. You can watch the videos and you can pause the video and give it a try to solve it on your own. Afterwards, you can check for your answer. So try to get best out of the playlist section of our channel. So that's being said, let's dive into this problem. In August, a gadget store sold 55% more tablets than the laptops. If the store sold 620 tablets that month, how many laptops did they sell? So to solve this question, we will need to set up an equation, but before that, I would like to just call some variables. For instance, for the tablets, so number of tablets they sold, let's call it the letter T. And for the number of laptops they sold, let's call the letter L for it. So they sold more tablets. So T is equals to L plus 55%. What does 55% mean? 55 over 100. If we can rewrite this as a decimal, this will become 0.55. So 0.55 times L plus the L, which is the number of laptops, is equals to T. So for the rest of the problem, I would like to use a different color pen. So in this case, the number of tablets they sold is given 620 is equals to L plus 0.55 L makes 1.55 L. So to get the L, so we need to divide both sides by 1.55. So you're allowed to use your calculator during the tests. So if you will use your calculator, you will calculate L as, when you divide 620 by 1.55, you'll get 400 laptops. So the correct answer for this specific question is the choice A then. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.